Hello all, I'd like to walk you through the customer view of my Node.js and MySQL purchasing app here. So the first thing I did was create a database in MySQL. You can see my Bamazon database with a products table that has columns of item ID, product name, department name, price, and stock quantity. The item ID column is the primary key, and we're going to be playing with the price and the stock quantity in the first part of the customer view here. So in my JavaScript file, you can see I required the MySQL inquirer and the .env for my security connection. You can see that here. Once my connection's up and running, it's going to console log connected, and it will list the items here. Let me exit so I can show you how to run it. So we're going to go ahead and run node Bamazon customer JS. You're going to run it, and it's going to show you the items for sale. You can see my connections reading connected here, and I have it saying how many items there are. 10 different items of inventory, for sale. The first is a laptop. The item ID is 1, price is $701, so on and so forth, the whole way down to a TI-89, item ID of 10, with a cost of $121. So once you run it, it brings up the message in the code here. You can see, welcome to Bamazon, how can I help you? And I only really have two choices for my customer to do at this point. You could order something or you could exit. If you hit exit, it just kicks you out of the app. So we're going to go ahead and run it again, and this time we're going to say order something. First question it asks once you say order something is, what is the ID number of the thing you'd like to order? So you're going to have to look up here in this printed out items and say you'd like to order a TI-89. You're going to put in item number 10. Second question that brings up is, how many units would you like to order of this? You're only going to need one TI-89, so we're going to go ahead and go 1. Once you say 1, it's going to go ahead and tell you that your transaction was successfully completed and your total cost was $121. You can see the TI-89, before we put that in, we had 17. I'm going to go ahead and refresh my database here and pull up the table, and you can see that 1 calculator was purchased. Now you can see we have 16 in stock. I also have in my code, if we do not have enough, we're going to go ahead and tell them, sorry, not enough inventory. I also did error correct if they did not put a number in here. So let's go ahead and try that. So we're going to go ahead and run node. We're going to order something. Go ahead and stick with the calculators. And this time we want to buy 22 of them. Let's see what happens here. So we cannot buy 22 of them. There's not enough inventory. And we do still have 16 in stock, and the cost was still $121. I have that printing. Oh, error correction. So let me show you the error correction. Go ahead and run node. We're going to order something, and what is the ID? Let's say the ID is frog. It's not going to take that. So if we did try and say 2, we're still good. And how many? Oh, what is number 2? It is a regular calculator. So if we want to buy one of those, we're good to go. A regular calculator costs $71, and your transaction was completed successfully. I hope you enjoyed my walkthrough. Thank you. Have a good day.